Title: Building a Scalable AI Model Deployment Pipeline, from Development to Production. Intro. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI model deployment pipelines. If you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or just someone curious about how AI models make their way from development to production, you're in the right place. We'll explore the entire journey of building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Section 1: Understanding the AI Model Lifecycle. Before we jump into building a deployment pipeline, it's crucial to understand the AI model lifecycle. The lifecycle begins with data collection and pre-processing, where we gather and clean our data to ensure it's suitable for training. Next is the model training phase, where we select algorithms, tune hyperparameters, and evaluate model performance using various metrics. Once we have a trained model, the deployment phase begins, which includes integrating the model into a production environment. This phase is where things can get tricky, especially if we don't have a robust pipeline in place. A well-structured deployment pipeline ensures that our model can be easily deployed, monitored, and updated as needed, allowing us to respond to changing requirements or data. Section 2: Components of a Deployment Pipeline. Now that we understand the lifecycle, let's look at the key components of a deployment pipeline. A scalable AI model deployment pipeline typically includes several critical components: version control, CI/CD, continuous integration/continuous deployment, containerization, orchestration, monitoring, and logging. Version control is essential for managing changes in your code and model. Tools like Git allow you to keep track of modifications, collaborate with team members, and roll back to previous versions if needed. This practice is crucial because AI models often undergo multiple iterations, and having a clear version history helps maintain consistency and reproducibility. Next, we have CI/CD, which automates the process of testing and deploying code changes. By integrating automated testing into your workflow, you can ensure that your model performs as expected before it's deployed. Continuous deployment allows you to push updates to production automatically, minimizing the time between development and deployment. Containerization is another vital component. By using tools like Docker, you can package your model and its dependencies into a container, ensuring that it runs consistently across different environments. This eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem, which can be especially prevalent in AI projects where environmental discrepancies can lead to unexpected behavior. Orchestration tools like Kubernetes play a significant role in managing containerized applications. They allow you to automate the deployment, scaling, and management of your model in a cloud environment. This means that as demand for your AI application grows, Kubernetes can automatically adjust the number of running containers to handle the load, making your deployment truly scalable. Lastly, monitoring and logging are critical for maintaining the health of your deployed model. By setting up monitoring systems, you can track performance metrics, detect anomalies, and gain insights into how your model is behaving in real time. Logging, on the other hand, helps you record important events and errors, which can be invaluable for debugging and improving your models over time. Section 3: Building the Deployment Pipeline Step by Step. Let's break down the process of building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline into manageable steps. The first step is to set up version control for your project. If you haven't already, create a Git repository for your codebase, and make sure to include a README file that outlines your project's structure, dependencies, and instructions for running the code. The next step is to implement CI/CD. There are many CI/CD tools available, such as Jenkins, GitLab CI, or GitHub Actions. Choose a tool that fits your team's workflow and configure it to automatically run tests whenever code is pushed to the repository. This will help catch issues early in the development process and ensure that only tested, stable code makes it to production. Once you have CI/CD in place, it's time to focus on containerization. Start by creating a Docker file for your model. This file should specify the base image, install necessary dependencies, and define how to run your model. Building your model as a Docker container will allow you to encapsulate the entire environment, making it easy to deploy on any machine that supports Docker. After containerization, the next step is orchestration. If you're deploying your model to a cloud provider, consider using Kubernetes. Set up a Kubernetes cluster and create a deployment configuration for your model. This configuration will define how many replicas of your model to run, resource limits, and networking settings. Kubernetes will help ensure that your model is always available, automatically scaling up or down based on user demand. With your deployment pipeline taking shape, don't forget to incorporate monitoring and logging. Choose a monitoring solution that fits your needs, such as Prometheus or Grafana, to track performance metrics like latency, error rates, and request counts. Set up alerts to notify your team when performance dips below acceptable thresholds. For logging, consider using centralized logging solutions like ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana to collect and analyze logs from your deployed model. Section 4: Best Practices for a Scalable Pipeline. Now that we've built a basic pipeline, let's discuss some best practices to ensure that it remains scalable and efficient as your models evolve. First and foremost, prioritize automation. The more you can automate your deployment and monitoring processes, the less manual intervention is required, reducing the risk of human error. Implement blue-green deployments or canary releases to minimize downtime and mitigate risk when rolling out new model versions. With blue-green deployments, you run two identical environments. One, blue, is live, while the other, green, is idle. When you're ready to deploy a new version, you switch traffic to the green environment. This allows you to test the new version in production without affecting users until you're confident it's stable. Another best practice is to continue monitoring model performance over time. As new data comes in, your model's performance may drift, leading to degraded accuracy. To counter this, implement a retraining strategy that re-evaluates your model periodically. Set up a feedback loop where predictions can be logged, and the model can be retrained on fresh data to maintain its effectiveness. Documentation is key in any deployment pipeline. Ensure that your pipeline's architecture, processes, and any decisions made during development are thoroughly documented. This will help onboard new team members and provide clarity on the project's structure and purpose. Lastly, invest in security measures to safeguard your pipeline and deployed models. This includes securing access to your version control system, protecting your cloud environments, and ensuring that any sensitive data is encrypted both at rest and in transit. Be aware of potential vulnerabilities in your code and keep your dependencies up to date to avoid exposing your application to known threats. Section 5: Real-world examples. To solidify our understanding, let's look at a couple of real-world examples of companies successfully implementing scalable AI model deployment pipelines. One notable example is Netflix. They use sophisticated machine learning models to personalize recommendations for their users. Netflix has a robust deployment pipeline that allows them to deploy new models frequently, utilizing their homegrown tools to enable A/B testing and monitor user engagement in real time. This agility allows them to continuously improve their service and provide a better user experience. Another example is Airbnb. They have developed a scalable machine learning infrastructure that supports various use cases, from fraud detection to dynamic pricing. By leveraging tools like Apache Airflow for workflow management and Kubernetes for orchestration, Airbnb can deploy models quickly and reliably. Their emphasis on automation and monitoring enables them to maintain a high level of service while adapting to changing market conditions. Section 6: Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline is a multifaceted process that requires careful planning and execution. By incorporating key components like version control, CI/CD, containerization, orchestration, monitoring, and logging, you can create a robust infrastructure that supports the deployment and maintenance of your models. Remember to follow best practices, automate wherever possible, and continually monitor your model's performance to ensure they deliver value over time. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for efficient deployment pipelines will only grow. By mastering this process, you'll position yourself and your organization for success in the rapidly changing landscape of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and machine learning. Leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building and innovating.